Ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, today I'm going to be showing you a Dubsmash video. So if you guys want to do one of your own Dubsmash video, then make sure to check out the link below to the website, and make sure to like and subscribe this video like always, and of course to check out CHILDISH ELEMINTRIX's channel, because he's doing Dubsmash videos as well, and we're gonna be doing it together as well. So yeah, check it out. So yeah, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and that's all. Peace.
Got a question. Who did let the dogs out?
Cause some came in the mail today.
I did. These nuts. Got him. Got him.
Bitch, you guessed it. You put the beer in the coconut and drink it all up. You put the beer in the coconut and throw the can.
This is spot.
I'm in my mom's car. Broom, broom.
Fuck you, I don't want no ravioli, nigga. I don't want it.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it.